Okay, hello, assalamu alaikum, and this is Miraj Hussain, and today I'm gonna welcome you in a very important session. The session is presentation. Okay, so here you can see some of my students now who are going to present real life conversation. So firstly, I'd like to ask two students. So Nasif and Piyu, you start.
Yes, sir. Friend, you have many chocolates. May I have one?
Sure.
Well, friend, may I sit beside you?
Okay, sure. Please sit down.
Thank you.
You are welcome.
Friend, may I go your phone number?
Yes, you can. This is my phone number 01711244397.
Okay. Friend, I don't understand. Will you tell me again, please?
Okay, sure, I will.
Okay. Anyway, friend, who is he?
He is my brother.
He's a good brother.
Yes, he is.
Friend, where is your mother today?
She is at home because she is sick.
What's wrong?
I don't know.
Well, where is your father?
He is at office.
And where is your sister?
She is at school.
Where is your sister?
She is at school.
Will you come to my home on Friday?
Why?
Because I want to play with you.
What will you play?
Will you play badminton?
Yes, sure. We can play.
Okay. Friend, will you please give me the pen?
Sure.
Friend, will you please pass me the pen?
Yes, sure. Here you are.
Thank you. Friend, what is that?
That is a fast food shop. Sorry, that is a pen.
What kind of pen?
I don't know. I think that is a ball pen.
Okay. Friend, what is this?
This is a book.
What kind of book?
I think this is an English book.
Yes.
Friend, you have many chocolates. May I have one?
Of course.
Friend, may I sit beside you?
Okay, please sit down.
Thank you very much.
You're
Thank you very
welcome.
much.
Friend, may I get your phone number, please?
Of course. My phone number is 01723132.
Thank you. Friend,
You're
I don't
welcome.
understand. Will you tell me again, please?
Of course.
Friend, who is she?
She's my teacher.
Is she a good teacher?
Yes, she is.
Where is your mother today?
She's sick.
What's wrong?
I don't know.
Where is your father?
She's at office.
He is at office.
He's at office.
Friend, where is your sister?
She is at school.
Good.
Well, will you please pass me the pen?
Of course. Here you go.
Thank you. Friend, will you pass me the bag too?
Of course. Here you go.
Thank you very much. Friend,
Well,
what is that?
that is a shop.
What kind of shop?
That is a fast food shop.
Friend, will you come to my home on Saturday?
Why?
Because I want to play with you.
What's the play?
Do you want to play hide and seek?
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, done.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you so much. Please begin together
Yes.
for you and Nasib. That's really nice presentation. Please begin together for them.
Thank you, sir.
So whenever I say please give hands, then you have to say big hands. Okay. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So thank you so much. Right now, you join again. Okay, you join again. Okay. So my line may be disconnected, so you may join again. Okay. So now we're gonna session a brand new. Okay, now we're gonna start a brand new session. Okay. So let's join again. So